Hi, this is Patty D. Priest, and welcome back to Educate Academy, brought to you by the Kentucky Academy of Technology Education. Again, we are looking at a Google Sheet with some data in it, and there are times when you have a long list of data that you want to maybe freeze your header row so that as you're looking at the data, you understand what that data means. For example, if I have checked an X or created an X in one of these columns and I've scrolled way down here, I may not remember exactly what this is. And you'll notice that when I do this, I have actually frozen this first row of cells. And as it goes, right here, it looks like it is not frozen. I can tell actually by that thick gray line. But as I scroll, the row 1 stays as the rest of the rows scroll by. So how did I do that? I'm going to switch to another spreadsheet, and basically all you have to do is come up here to the top left-hand corner and you drag this little gray bar. If you drag it down if you want to freeze a row, and I'm actually going to come down and freeze all the way through row 5, and you see that gray line. Now when I am scrolling through, I'm actually seeing the headers on those columns stay in place so that I can actually go through and see the information and know what it means. If I wanted to do a column, I would grab the gray line here in the upper left-hand corner and drag it to the right. And so if I wanted to do that, that way I would scroll back and forth and the information in that first column would actually stay in place as well. So that's all there is to it. Another way to actually do it is to go to View and Freeze, and then you can actually choose, do you want no rows? So this would undo it, no columns, 1 row or 1 column, and so on. I just like to drag out the lines though. One other thing that you might want to look at is to actually go to Format, and we're going to go to Alternating Colors. This makes a spreadsheet a whole lot easier to read, and you'll notice over here it gives me the range that I want to apply it to. Do I have some headers and things, and then it gives me colors that I can choose from. And as I choose different things, I can then come down here and customize if I don't like the automatic colors that it offers. But you can play with this. This really, for a large spreadsheet, makes it a whole lot easier. That's all I have for this video, so thanks for watching, and again, if you have any questions, feel free to contact me, and have a good day.